You like spinning in the pool? Oh, it's gonna make you dizzy, buddy. I think that's a big hit, your pool with balls in it.
Hi.
You know what?
He's like, hmm?
You go spinning? He's gonna be one of those kids that likes all of those crazy rides.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell.
So your nanny and your poppy like to hear you laugh.
Are you waving? Oh, you're a funny boy.
Whoa.
Now what are you gonna do?
But this is fun. What are you doing?
Just hanging out.
See my top teeth? See, we didn't even have to try. We didn't even have to pry your mouth open. You can see them.
See, Auntie's been here not even one day and she might already have a job.
Mm-hmm. Wave. Quentin.
You be the
Say
lazy
bye.
boy? Say bye. Bye.
Wave.
Who's belly just sticking out? Mga karibo. Whose belly is this?
See, look at my top two teeth. You gonna wave bye?
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Quentin. Wave bye.
Bye.
Wave bye. Good boy.
Good boy. You wave him bye.